Breaking news. Chief Justice Gertrude Torkornoo has been removed. This is coming from the presidency, and you can find that on www.presidency.gov.gh. On the 1st of September 2025, that is when this letter was dropped. President Mahama removes Chief Justice Gertrude Isaba Saki Torkornoo from office. President John Dramani Mahama has, in accordance with Article 146 Clause 9 of the 1992 Constitution, removed the Chief Justice, Her Ladyship Justice Gertrude Isaba Saki Torkornoo, from office with immediate effect. This follows receipt of the report of the committee constituted under Article 146 Clause 6 to inquire into a petition submitted by a Ghanaian citizen, Mr. Daniel Fori. After considering the petition and evidence, the committee found that the grounds of stated misbehavior under Article 146 Clause 1 had been established and recommended her removal from office. Under Article 146 Clause 9, the President is required to act in accordance with the committee's recommendation. Signed by Felix Kwache Ofosu, Member of Parliament, spokesperson to the President, Minister, Government Communications. Yes, so Charlie, already try to talk about say when our Chief Justice them commotam. Yeah, President Mahama commotam. Yeah, I mean this removal, saga has been going back and forth, and I think today is the day they had their final say. And Mama President she was removed based on certain grounds and some allegations said about her. And one Ghanaian citizen, a friend of Daniel Ofori, so akoma the hon sem ama omwejina no so AG no efi office. So there are some key allegations and controversies that I would like to talk about. First of all, nomination of Supreme Court justices. Secondly, perceived political bias. Thirdly, procedural concerns. Let me take the first one. Nomination of Supreme Court justices. A significant point of contention was Torkornoo's 2024 recommendation to President Akufo-Addo to appoint 5 additional Supreme Court justices without consulting the Judicial Council, the Ghana Bar Association, or Attorney General as required by the law. Critics, including the opposition NDC, accused her of enabling court packing to favor the then ruling NPP, reinforcing perceptions of judicial bias. Torkornoo defended her action, citing the Supreme Court's overwhelming workload and providing data showing a backlog of cases. But the GBA and the NDC labeled the move an irregularity. We have almost say maybe a trade munu or two nanadofo and recommend they say Nanado 5 more additional Supreme Court justices and found pay a court so on found almost on be assembly year. But a kuko munu opposition NDC any microphobia any somebody's before say no idea way yenye and say obey na or no obumra and almost I feel say or their favor the party in power, senior the opposition party no on betima ACC or more and as on betima nyama bia on be cost cut free. Also, perceived political bias. Almost feel say there's a bias somewhere because she's been labeled as a party member and doing the biddings of the current party, then current party. Also, Mamsi procedural concerns. In SMP, Torkornoo and her supporters, including GBA and opposition NPP, argued that her suspension violated due process. Initially, the petition were not shared with her, hindering her ability to respond, with which some lawyers deemed a violation of her right to fair hearing, and so on and so forth. Charlie. So these are some of the key allegations. So let's go to legal and constitutional challenges that were a same way. So we remember some time ago, on the 4th of July 2025, Chief Justice Torkornoo filed a lawsuit at the ECOWAS Community Court in Abuja, alleging that her suspension violated her human rights by removing her from office without a final determination. She argued on and on, but some people also felt that the move now and the demeanor now or the approach assembly or ma assembly escalate. You see, they feel she tarnish the image of Ghana's justice system by taking internal matters outside into ogu or mine justice system ni hu fi. Nkrofo bi so be argue say or a chief justice, she has to fight to reclaim her position as chief justice. But in this country, there are laws. We have a constitution that governs us. We have a constitution that is clear, and no mudiabano. A constitution article 146 and 149 clause 9 and clause 1 no na da hono say chief justice no so betumi to say on grounds of some irregularities na nyama bia betumi to no form committee na kwahwe asem ni mu odifo the committee will come and state it into no way no hwehwe mu no committee ni say odifo into no yempam no eno na da hono Charlie. Chief Justice Gertrude Torkornoo, now former Chief Justice. Now send me a mobile. Charlie, my name is Venus, and this is Vent. Peace.